Hey everyone! What's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to stream TikTok games from PC. First, open the game you want to stream and open TikTok Studio. Here's TikTok Live Studio. Let's open it. It's loading up and now we open the game we'll be streaming. Make sure to open the game first, otherwise we won't be able to capture the window. So we wait while the studio loads. If you don't have the studio, just go to your browser, type TikTok Live Studio download and download it. So I've logged into the studio. Go ahead and log in with your account, then we need to select the game. To do that, we click Add Source. It's still loading. So we select if your game is full screen, choose Game Capture. If it's in a window, choose Window Capture. I'll click Window and then click Add. Then from the list of programs, we select our game and click Add Source. And just like that, you can now play and stream. There you go, and it works. That's all for today. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.